Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix high ping and packet loss on CS2. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest you to do here is to go to CS2, right click on it, go to properties, on launch option, put this command. I will leave this command in the description below so you can easily find it. Then the next step, you need to go to install files, browse, then go to game, bin Win64, and then you need to copy this path, right, where CS2 exe file is, right? Then the next thing we need to do here is to go to virus and threat protection. Then you need to go to, as you can see here, virus threat protection settings, manage, and go to exclusions. And here we need to wait for a couple of seconds and add an exclusion folder, and then paste the path and add a CS2 folder, right? And then next step what you need to do here is to go to Windows Defender Firewall. Then you need to go to allow an app or feature to Windows Defender Firewall, press change settings, press allow another app, press browse, and then here again paste the path. And add the exe file. If you're getting this error, you're good to go, because this means CS2 exe file is already added to your machine, right? Next step, what you need to do here, you need to open up cmd or command prompt, right click on it, and make sure to run as admin. Again, we need to wait for a couple of seconds. Here we need to write ip config / flush DNS, and another command is nesh winsock reset, right? And then restart your computer. Next thing, you need to go to settings, go to network and internet, then go to advanced network settings, and then here network reset, and reset your network. If you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go. You don't need to do here nothing. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password, Wi-Fi password again, right? And then look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then again go to network and internet, go to advanced network settings, then find your internet connection. For me is this one. Expand the option, select more adapter options, then make sure Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled, double click on Internet Protocol version 4, and then here use the following DNS server addresses, select this option, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4. apply the changes, restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.